Hello traders, this is Gyanforexx and welcome back to another new video. Guys, in this video I will be showing you how can you log in your Exness account to MT5. But guys, before starting the video, if you are new to my YouTube channel, then please subscribe and also join my Telegram community for regular updates. You will find the link in the description. And guys, if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like and also press the bell icon for regular updates. So let's start the video. Open your MT5 account. You will be able to see this type of interface on your phone. Now from here you have to tap on the three lines on the top left corner of the screen. Sidebar menu will be opened up on your screen. So now from here you have to tap on get started. Now from here tap on the add icon on the top right corner of your screen. Here you have to enter the server. So open up your Exness trading app or website. From here you have to choose the account type. So I will be choosing this account. Now click on details and go to settings. Now below you will be seeing here the server and the login. Now click on the server and just copy it. Now go back on your MT5 account and copy paste your server. You have to select your server. Now copy your login ID and paste it over here. Now enter the password you have created and simply log in. Look, your account is open. Now if you want to start trading, go to quotes and select. You will see many types of currencies. You have to click on this plus icon. Now suppose you want to trade in XAU USD, which is gold. So just type this and click on the plus icon. Now suppose you want to trade in BTC. So select BTC USD and click on the plus icon. Like this way you can add multiple currencies, pair and other metals and assets. Now go back and click on BTC, and from here you can easily start trading. So suppose if you want to take a sell in BTC, so click on this top left corner of your screen. So suppose you want to take a trade in BTC. So what you have to do is you have to click on the buy or sell option you will see on the top corner. So if you want to take a sell in BTC, just click on sell. So first time you have to click on the terms and conditions and then again click on sell, and from here you can choose the lot size according to your capital. So suppose I want to take a sell in BTC again by 0.02. So just give it to 0.02 and just take a sell. Now if you want to view your trade, you can go to directly trades and view your trade. And if you want to close it, just click on this three dots and close your trades. And also there are options. If you want to close it directly from here, you can do it by this. And how to apply the SLNTP? So in MT5 there are two different types way. So first way is very simple. Just click on this cell where you have taken the cell. So here you will see a pop-up which is SLNTP. Just apply your SL. So suppose if you want to apply your SL over here, just go there and TP suppose over here and modify it. Also there is one more way. You just have to slide it down, click on this pencil icon, and here directly you can enter your SL and TP and just modify. These are the two ways you can apply SL and TP. And guys, if you face any problem, just comment below. I will try to answer every question. So guys, that's it for today's video. Meet you in the next video. Thank you and bye bye.